want a regular cycle? Are you frustrated not having one? I want you to consider something from Chinese medicine. I want you to consider putting a teaspoon to 2 teaspoons of black sesame seeds into your soups, salads, and smoothies daily till you get 3 consistent cycles. Black sesame seeds create heat in your body, causing you to have a period. So keep this in mind. Another thing you can do, and we talk about it in our 30-day series on our YouTube channel, is I want you to consider doing this following acupressure tip. You're gonna go from the midline of the face, where the third eye is, above the eyebrows to the temple, along the jawline, all the way up through the cheeks or the zygomatic process. And I want you to consider doing this and following along with me for the following minutes. So here we go. And then what I want you to do is consider doing this acupressure tip couple minutes, couple times a day till you get 3 consistent cycles. Now, if you go to our YouTube channel as well, you'll see lots of different acupressure tips. Doesn't matter which one. I want you to consider picking any one of them and doing it 3 times a day until you get 3 cycles. Now, why is this acupressure point so great in helping you to regulate your cycle? Many different reasons. Number 1, it relaxes you. So when you are relaxed, your cortisol levels go down and you have more available hormone, whether it be FSH, LH, estrogen, or progesterone to help you regulate a cycle. Number 2, these acupressure point can mirror image the uterus in almost 3 or 4 different ways. And so by acupressing this area, we are causing the uterine wall to contract, hence causing a cycle. So consider doing this tip a couple minutes, couple times a day till you get 3 consistent cycles. Of course, work with your physician by all means. It is my goal to help you to live your best life as a woman, and I wish you all the best from your acupuncturist friend, Anita Tadavarthi.